Hello, welcome to the project deployment tutorial for EcoStruxure Energy Hub mobile experience. In this video, we will explore the site manager experience and details about refrigeration monitoring application in EcoStruxure Energy Hub mobile app. Site manager experience is focused on energy consumption, load control, and the operational status of essential systems such as lighting, refrigeration, emergency lighting, and non-critical loads in small stores and buildings. Site manager experience has an intuitive interface. As per the site selected, Home tab shows alarm count that shows the number of active, unacknowledged alarms for the site. Tab to view the alarms list with detailed alarm information. Swipe up to see the equipment details as per the load type. The equipment status tile give a quick glimpse of consumption, load on off status or control option as per the device type and site conditions. Select the tile to see details like power, energy, consumption trends, and alarms of the respective load. Energy tab shows the monthly energy consumption and cost for a site, compared to its targets. You can also set the targets as required. Swipe up to see the comparison of energy consumption and cost for different usage types and different locations of a selected site. For creating the software alarms, go to Application Options menu. Select Setup. Select Alarm Rules. You can see the existing alarm rules for the selected site. Select Add Alarm Rule and provide the required parameters. Site Manager mode has applications to help in the monitoring and control of loads and the management of specific equipment like refrigeration and emergency lights. One of the applications in Site Manager view is Refrigeration Monitoring. It tracks the status of your cold rooms or refrigeration equipment. You can view refrigeration temperature and open-close door status. You can also set door status alarms and ambient temperature over or under alarms. Hazard Analysis and Critical Control Points or HACCP compliance report for refrigeration-related food safety can be generated. First, install PowerTag Ambient for getting refrigeration ambient temperature and connect PowerTag control devices with the required accessories to get the door on-off status. Also make sure to do the required device settings in Panel Server. It is recommended to use Panel Server with firmware version 2.1 or above. Configure the Panel Server through web pages or EcoStruxure Power Commission mobile app. In PowerTag control settings for the respective input connected to door status, select the I/O type as Standard I/O. Provide the input name to identify the refrigeration equipment. For I/O contextualization, select Door Status. Enter the usage type as refrigeration and set the other parameters as per site connections. Similarly, for PowerTag Ambient, set the device name to identify the equipment and the usage type as refrigeration. Also configure the monitoring devices like PowerTag Energy if available. Connect the gateway to cloud. In the Energy Hub mobile app, add the gateway to the required site in your organization. Please make sure to watch the video on Energy Hub mobile app basic setup and do the necessary steps before going forward. In Site Manager Home tab, swipe up and select the Refrigeration tab. You can see the ambient temperature and door status on the status tile or the details screen. To generate the HACCP report, select Generate Report. Specify the date range and report output format, then select Generate. Share the report with your contacts or with other applications as required. To create an alarm, in the Details screen, go to Alarm Rules. Add Alarm Rule. Provide the required parameters and save. Congratulations! You have successfully configured refrigeration monitoring in Site Manager. Thanks for watching this video. Please watch the next videos on other major applications like emergency lighting monitoring and non-critical load control.